Good afternoon and welcome to Inside Sports. My name is Jeff Mogiri and we begin in Embu. Athletics Kenya has completed a digital registration drive in Embu County as a part of its ongoing efforts to register all athletes and coaches ahead of the 2024-2025 athletics season. Athletics Kenya's new registration system, launched in July, is designed to secure data on all athletes, helping them to prevent themselves from age manipulation and other forms of fraud across the country.
Tumepata watu 160 wale wamejiandikisha vizuri, and this one is very important kwa sababu it is helping the country to run away from the age cheating which has really become too much for us.
Kwanza mambo ya age cheating haitakuwa tena katika Kenya yetu, itakuwa katika kaburi la sahau.
Tunatarajia kwamba services kama ile ya visa services ya kuwapa barua za wale ambao wanataka kwenda ngambo zitafanyika kwa hii platform. Services kama vile za anti-doping pia ambayo ile tunaitanga contact tracing itafanyika pia kwa hii mtandao.
We'll be headed to Southern, that is the Ukambani area. We'll start with Machakos on Monday and Tuesday of next week. We'll thereafter go to Kitui and then Makueni. And the process will then go back to Ngong, where we have a catchment of so many athletes, and then it will get finished in Nairobi.
Now from Embu, let's get back to Nairobi. More than 300 swimmers took part in the Nairobi under 12 years and above swimming championship that were held at